It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine?
Hey! What are you doing?
Throwing this away. We ain't even got no milk.
You better put some water on that damn shit. All right, I eat it.
Now, I don't know about you, but I think scrambled eggs are one of the most delicious things you can have for breakfast, if they're done properly.
Tonight.
DJ, I got a bitch. Yes, y'all, and you don't stop. To the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, y'all, and you don't stop. 1, 2, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, y'all, and you don't stop. Y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, y'all.
Say hi.
You don't stop.
Hi. Oh, that was close.
Washington, baby. Washington.
The HD breakfast video.
A few New York niggas had dinner in the park. But she was there for me, and I was there for her. Pull out a chair for her, turn on the air for her, and just cool out. Cool out and listen to her. Sitting on bone, wishing that I could do eventually. If it was meant to be, then it would be, cause we related physically and mentally, and she was fun then. I'd be geeked when she come around. Slim was fresh, Joe, when she was underground, original, pure, untapped, but a down sister. Boy, I tell you, I miss her. Yes, y'all, and you don't stop. To the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, y'all, and you don't stop. 1, 2, y'all.
This is how you crack back to top without like pressure, like stepping on it, or when you do this. You know what I'm talking about? I promise it won't hurt. It's really not gonna hurt at all.
Breathe out?
Yeah, when you breathe out. Because if you breathe in, then your muscles are I mean, I can do it like this too.
Like what?
It's kind of gonna be like the same thing. It's just when you're out.
Just do it.
No! Do it to Jared first. I'm scared.
We're already here.
No, do it.
I learned this from Bro Science. I'm just kidding.
That's even worse.
Why? Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Just put your hands up. 3. 1, 2, 3.
I breathe.
1, 2, 3. Alright, that's just 3. So I do this for Brandon, not like push it. But it's that much pressure. Alright, one last time. On 3. 1, 2, 3. What? Maybe I should.
Oh my gosh.